Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Katie. I live in Cambodia and I teach English, and I am very happy that you guys have stumbled upon my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do something really cool. I'm going to show you guys my room. I got a request to do a room tour, and I did a room tour when I first moved in. It was a long time ago. I did a room tour when I first walked in the doors, but it was a long time ago. So now I have a little bit of decorations and it's a little bit more set up. So I'm going to show you guys where I live. Where do I go every day in Cambodia? Where do I sleep? What does my room look like? I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get to it. So right there is where I work. I live very close to school. That is my office building, and then over there is more things, but I'm going to show you guys my room. We've been doing some cleaning, so that's why there's a lot of trash, but this is my room. You walk in, looks like this. So the first thing we have is the doorway. If you guys are Catholic, this is the Epiphany blessing, so I did that on Epiphany. So if you guys know what that is, give this video a big thumbs up if you guys are Catholic. And this is my room. So it is very small. This is a little bit of an overview, and then I'm going to explain part by part. When you first walk in, you see I have my broom. I sweep every day. It gets so dusty here, so I just keep it really close to the door because I usually sweep out the door. And so I have my broom, I have my desk. There's just a lot of little things. I have my water bottle. This is what I drink every day. It's huge. My phone. This is my tripod. I use this to place my tripod so it's taller because I don't have a big tripod. A lamp, some little knick-knack things, medicine, and this is a picture my dad gave me before I left. And this is to shoo away snakes. So if we did have a snake, so we had to add this to water and spray it all over the floor, if you guys can see outside, so that snakes wouldn't come near our room. And in there it's just my hairbrushes and just some random stuff. Then we have my bed. As you can see, a bug net because the bugs are awful here. I, for a few months, stopped using it and I was getting eaten alive, so I had to go back to using it. And this is just my electric cords, and it's a mess. I feel like I'm gonna get electrocuted all the time because they always have little sparks, but yeah, that's that. Then we have my clothes. So as you can see, this is the rack that I was given, and our dryer is a fan. I have a fan on above it to dry, and I have a fan on next to it to dry because that is our drying. We can hang it out outside here, but if you guys can see, some of the trees, they have mangoes and they fall and then they just smell really bad, so I don't like to hang it out outside because of the smell. I just washed my clothes. Next we have this extra bed. There was 2 people staying here last year, so that's why this is a double room. I have a double room and my side partner has a double room. It is possible to have more volunteers, so that is why they have extra beds in case more volunteers come. I don't have a roommate, so this is just my bed. It's my extra bed. I just put all my school stuff. You guys can see I have my school bag, my laptop bag. That is my ID that I have to wear every day, so I put it there so I don't forget to put it on. This is my bag that I take places, my camera bag. These are the snacks. I've not seen me eating Cambodian snacks. My snacks, an extra water bottle, and this is my wall of pictures. My side partner made this for me for my birthday, and I love that word. And then this has just been pictures that my mom has sent me or my best friend has sent me, and so I decided to hang them up to make it feel more homey. And that is also another bag that I use a lot. It's made from a chroma, which is a Cambodian scarf. And so I just put it there for a little decoration. Back here I've been given 2 cabinets. I hang my hats here. I think they just look cute. So if it gets really hot and sunny, I'll use those hats. I have a cabinet here. And then I have an extra fan. This was my fan that I broke, and luckily my site partner allowed me to use this. So she's not using a fan like this, which I feel bad because it is getting very hot. I have 2 fans, but this one is broken. If you guys remember, my mom sends me care packages, so these are one set of them. I have the other one in here. This is just like a junk closet. It's very messy, but the other one is right here and just has random junk stuff. And then yeah, this is one set of letters. Oh, sorry, you guys can't see. One set of letters, and then just an extra table that if you had a roommate, they would use this table. My suitcase that I brought my clothes in, I just put it there. That is my laundry, my rain boots, my cleaning supplies. This is all cleaning supplies for my bathroom. If you guys want to see a bathroom tour, give this video a big thumbs up. I am not going to show you today, so if you guys want to see a bathroom tour, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I will show you guys what's behind the door. Lastly, we have my closet. So I just cleaned this yesterday, so I feel very proud, and that's why I'm going to show you guys. But I have all my clothes. This is my school uniform. If you guys haven't seen in some of my videos, sorry, it's not. That is my school uniform. I have all my t-shirts, and these are just all shirts and dresses that I wear for church. And up there I have all my elephant pants and just like junk pants. My makeup is right there. But yeah, that is it. So many of you guys have asked, but this is my room. It is very tiny. This is where I live. This is where I spend my nights here in Cambodia with my bug net, with my clothes, with my fan. When I'm sweating, I use the fan. My room is very small. It's actually very big because it is a double room, but yeah, this is my bedroom in Cambodia. I know a lot of people did not see my first video when I came in September, so I wanted to give you guys an updated room tour. And now for today's shout out. Today's shout out goes to Curly Crew. They left an awesome message. I will leave it right here, and right after I will put all their social media and YouTube channel information right here. So go check them out. They're awesome. They left an awesome comment, so thank you guys so much for commenting. If you guys want to be in next week's comment, if you want to be the next week's shout out, this week we're gonna leave, let's leave, you can choose any of the bug emojis, because since I have my bug net and I get eaten alive, leave any bug emoji and you guys could be next week's shout out. So I will see you guys next Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.